Looking for a natural remedy to boost your kids' immunity and fight colds? Let's make a quick herbal syrup. Start with 1 cup of water. Add 1 tablespoon chamomile, 1 teaspoon thyme, a pinch of cinnamon, and a bit of ginger. You can even toss in a basil leaf if you have it. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, then strain it into a bowl. Once it cools, add 2 tablespoons of raw honey for that sweet, soothing touch. But remember, honey is for kids over 1 year old. Store it in the fridge for up to a week, a teaspoon or tablespoon a day, and your little one will thank you. Natural, easy, and kid-approved. Follow for more healthy tips for your family.